National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 422, effective until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Raven, Stevens, Towns, and White, and the following counties in North Carolina: Graham, Haywood, Jackson, Macon, Swain, and Transylvania, and the following counties in South Carolina: Oconee and Pickens. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 422 has been issued until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Raven, Stevens, Towns, and White, and the following counties in North Carolina: Graham, Haywood, Jackson, Macon, Swain, and Transylvania, and the following counties in South Carolina: Oconee and Pickens.